Hi guys. Alright, so what we're going to do today is we're going to try to fix the batteries on my F250 right here. Got an issue with the corrosion on there, so I'm going to fix it the right way. So here we go. Alright, before we go outside, we're going to do this. We're going to show you what we're going to be using here. And we're going to use this battery cleaner right here, CNC battery cleaner, and it has the with acid indicator. So it turns colors when you see that. So we're going to do that first. So we're going to clean the terminals. And then we're going to use this little tool right here to clean inside the terminal and the studs on the batteries with those little jewels right there. And after that, we are going to put this multi-function silicone grease on here. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's dielectric, waterproof lubricating sealing, it says. All right, we're doing that. And then I really don't know if this is necessary or not, but I'm going to do it anyway. So I'm going to do this battery terminal protectors right here. And we're going to give that a shot here and see what happens. And hello, Pepper. All right. All right, you're going to have to forgive me on the video. After I got the recording done, came in, put it on the computer, I realized that the first part of the video did not record right. So you're not going to see me do the first terminal, kind of the portion of it. You're going to see me do the second terminal on that. So apologize, guys, but here we go with the video. Next one. And of course, these bolts were different sizes, so I had to switch. There we go. Dude, come off. Not a problem. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, this one looks, fairly good. It's got some corrosion on the bottom there. So let's do some more cleaning. Okay, that looks good. Oh, okay, you can see the copper here. All right, pretty good. Let's use this. Scrape that up a little bit. Oh yeah, it's making it shiny inside. Yeah, they do have another one that's got like wire brushes, and that works really well too. But I happen to have this one, so we're going to use this guy. Okay, this actually shaves off some of the lead off of that. Okay, that looks good. All right. Put on Mr. Battery Terminal Protector, they call it. At least they say it should help. We're going to try it this round, see what happens. Put some of the dielectric on this. Okay. Looks good. Throw some inside of that. Okay. That back on. Tighten her up and we'll see. This truck actually has 2 batteries on it, so I will be doing the other side here after a while. Maybe not today. It's actually getting a little dark. Okay, nice and tight. Looks good. My neighbor just pulled in, if you heard his truck. Hello. All right. Looks nice. Good deal. All right. That should work there. And yeah, this, like I said, this battery, or this truck has 2 batteries on it, so I gotta go do the other side. It's gonna be the same process as this, so there's no reason to show that side. But from what I've seen, that seems to work pretty good. We're gonna spray on this battery terminal protector, which says prevents corrosion. So we'll see. I'm gonna just lather it on there. Do this up down a little bit more. And wait, see what this thing does later on. See if it fixed it. Put the old battery to the bulb on there, and then there you go. So that's what I have found that you know, should keep this thing from corroding. We'll see. We'll give it like you know, a few months and see what happens. So there you go. Enjoy.